Starters muna tayo, brought to us by Doride. Ang bola ng Pinoy, it's Melicor, Seria, Pacheco, Manlutak, and Escobido para sa Antipolo. Palawan naman will have Batalinhug, Zamoras, Rosales, Dulanas, and Binagatan. Rounding out their 5. Game ng looking to change that story. Sila nga makakakuha ng unang oportunidad here in this ball game. Drums once again are out, and the guns are out. Manlutak taking the handoff, sidestepping his way through for 2.
And this is what they need. Well, another miss para dito sa Antipolo, and
Just the first points para sa Palawan again. I think that's Zamoras para sa Palawan. The runner will fall. It's a soft touch para kay Rocco Melicor. Fouls na nga rin para dito kay Monico. Kailangan na rin niyang iupo. The bounce inside, Velasquez. Another end one para sa Urix Builders.
so there was that pinch action na,
Oh,
and you gotta give credit to Coach Joff Jaime kasi it's been, I think, 2 or more minutes as we see that layup from Palawan. It's been 2 minutes.
can't find the range in Antipolo so far. The pass ahead, Zamoras, kick out, Rosales is wide open. Short, Dulanas snatches that board and hits the putback.
But I think it,
This is Joel Moral. It's the ball stolen away by Corpus. Sidestep maneuver, adjusts and hits. In a 3-point lead para sa Palawan. Rosales for 3. Swishes it.
so dun medyo mahirap basahin yung line na napakahirap for our referees.
Excessive sa some categories. Finds an opening. They go underneath. Couple of fakes. And the basket. Very patient on that move. Trying to feed Binagatan, but they turn it over.
Pass was a little too tight there para dito kay Jim Corpus.
Moral through the paint for his first bucket.
So he really has to be very convenient with this attack. Talagang kailangan yung mga safe na galaw lang.
Dropping it off to Humade this time around, setting up his teammates. Dito sa ating first quarter, take another look at that move by Moral earlier. Aggressive.
That report by Quinn, yung pressure lagi lang naman nandyan yan eh. It's really up to the players and the coaches. As you see that, another assist by Chog Moral.
Age, no, and getting exposed to that level of pressure could only make you better din talaga, especially if you want to play a team. Duterte, barreling his way inside, gets another basket plus the foul.
Bantay eh.
Off the basketball, a foul will be called. Velasquez down on the floor once again, touching onto that right quad. As Velasquez receiving that leather. To make matters worse, he will have to sit for that mandatory 3-minute break.
Well, again, it's already hard for you. Hindi ka pwede sa loob.
2 for 2 para kay Kurt. This, of course, the core of which comes from their perpetual program of Coach Jock Leocas. Corpus straight away. Short. Madi. They could hold for the last shot if they wish to. Final 5 seconds now. Zipping it inside. Duterte tapped away by Dulanas. A second remaining. Dutalo has to put it up. Might not have been aware. Yan nga matatapos ang ating unang traffic now para sa Antipolo. His pass deflected, almost stolen. And tuluyan na nga turnover para sa JY Titans. Ignacio with an interception. Touchdown with Corpus. Building now for Palawan. Take another look at that feed. Ignacio connecting with Corpus. The steal and the basket.
Really, one area na nagsastruggle sila.
Lanas powering his way through. But that attack, sabog sa ere, hindi ininda. Regard lang.
Kahit tayo, nagulat tayo sa pasa.
Melicor Melicor decides to pull up for three. Badly needed para sa JY Titans.
That's a big shot. They had to take him out kasi nag-commit siya ng isa pang foul, which is his third. And talking about three, para sa Antipolo.
Melicor. That familiar floater. Kawakas, nahulog. Oras. And Velasquez. Knocks down the jumper. Ilang mahuhulog doon para kay San Diego. Velasquez setting up Ignacio for the fast break layup. It's a technical rebound. Just couldn't hit on that putback. Osman Lutak. Takbo na naman tayo sa kabila. Rosales with a bucket.
Talagang meron lang
Final 2 minutes dito sa ating second period. Melicor once more. Off the window. Dulanas. Hand off. Velasquez splitting the defense for two.
That's a good read para dito. So wala talagang tutulong pag umatake siya dun sa side na yun.
Fake from Madi. Counter limit went in. And the buzzer sounds to signal the end of our first half of action. This 14-point lead para sa Palawan, 46-32 at the half.
Polo, if they want to be able to catch up in this game, kailangan maganda yung itakbo nila for the first few minutes. But etong si Rosales, mainit pa rin.
A little over a minute gone by now. Moral will fire from the corner and answers para sa JY Titans. Sa wakas, nahulog din yung kanyang three-pointer. Corbuzo, nahawa na rin.
Pero pagpunta din sa kabilang banda, nanggagaling lang sa mga execution, madaling-madali para sa Palawan.
Verde off balance but still able to...
Whatever happens sa kanilang defense, tatakbo agad sila sa opensa.
Pacheco, that three-pointer won't work. Manlutak though with a cleanup job.
That's a good defense here and at least get a lot of stops para makahabol sila sa game na to.
Hand off to Rosales. Another three para kay Louie. Just not...
Itong si Chog Moral, so there's merong split second na there's two guys on Chog Moral, so they have to maximize that, but this is another big shot para dito.
Moral couldn't answer. Duterte keeps it alive. Scores on another. Dulanas. Pass a bit too strong. Stolen away by Manlutak. And he is all alone for two.
And they need a lot.
Steps back. Misfires. The fadeaway off the window para kay Yuan Pacheco. And that will cut. So take another look. Moral with that miss. Great effort para kay Yuan Pacheco to get the offensive rebound.
Palawan Urich Builders, and then they just have to go to their scores with this itong si Chog Moral making those free throws, and I think they're gonna be in a better situation.
But now Melicor. Melicor, another floater. He just has that shot.
Double lang nila si Moral.
Velasquez finds himself on the paint once more. Gets another two.
That's under dyan, napakatalino kasi lahat ng options, 2 to 3 options mag-open up at all at the same time. Is really sending a lot of bodies para lang ma-stop siya, so he has to look for his teammates.
Seria floats it up and in. Back to back. That Moral pass earlier, sabi mo nga. Collapsing yung depensa dito ng Palawan. Highlights brought to us by Chef's Magic.
Back-to-back plays for his team. Kaya lumapit ang lamang dito.
At the end of 3, 66-59, Urich Builders still up by 7.
Between Humadi and Seria. Kasi magsiswitch sila doon sa action na yon ng Palawan. Pero masyadong maaga nag-switch.
Drop pass to Manlutak once again. Velasquez finds the open man. Zamoras knocks down three-pointer number 10.
Kasi alam niya yung mga tamang desisyon eh.
Moral short stab. Will rattle it in. Looking for a foul. Takbo na naman ng Palawan. Zamoras. Now Velasquez for three. Another one para sa Urich Builders.
Palawan Urich Builders.
Ano naman si Zamoras. Just understanding that Velasquez was trailing that play. 12-point lead contra the Antipolo JY Titans on this 9-4 blast to open up the fourth. Rosales with a pull-up. 24 now para kay Louie. Oras. Just 4 seconds left to shoot. Zamoras for 3. Another 3-pointer para sa Urich Builders. Lanas. Corpus. Now Rosales. Another 3. Another conversion. Louie Rosales with Duterte. Battle his way through. Another basket para kay Derek.
Again, para dito sa Antipolo JY Titans.
Dulanas with his offhand. Oh. Telecor. Now Duterte. Just muscling his way inside. Unstoppable. This game number 3 of our 5-game Saturday schedule. The step back. Another tough shot. Mahuhulog para sa Palawan. 17-point ball game. Seria for 3. Knocks it down from the corner.
Medyo unstoppable during the regular season.
Seria trying to drop it off. The ball stolen. Velasquez ahead to Madaya. Might slam it. I've seen him do it. 92 to 74 now. Short on that 3 attempt for Seria. As the clock winds down. And it would be the Palawan Urich Builders advancing into the national finals. A chance for them to defend their crown. Here's Antipolo did go on several runs, Renzo.
Definitely nothing to be ashamed of nothing to be ashamed for para dito sa Antipolo JY Titans. They really put up a good fight against a strong team in Palawan Urich Builders. They were making runs, making defensive stops, a lot of those actually, but it was just too much for them itong Palawan. The firepower that they had